Momentum Jharkhand, our flagship program of the state, has caught the imagination of the entire country. Jharkhand's high rank and ease of doing business is further helping investments and new industries to grow day by day. In fact, a demand of 600,000 new jobs have emerged to serve the new investments in the state. Jharkhand's skill policy aims at inclusive skilling of its youth for employment, a ready workforce second to none. Jharkhand is also witness to rapid changes happening in the world due to the advent of the fourth industrial revolution, commonly known as Industry 4.0. In just 5 years from now, by 2022, the face of the world will be totally different from today's world. The way we work, move and communicate today will be part of the distant past. We will also see nations, enterprises, industry and people get digitally transformed. The next massive wave of jobs will come from online business platforms, e-commerce, job aggregators due to disruptive technologies, and from current manufacturers who have invested highly in technology.
Jharkhand state is increasing both the space and scope of skilling. Investment, serious engagement with new technology partners, skill policy, new skill rules. We understand that there is going to be a huge redeployment of force in the near future. So to be ready for this redeployment of the workforce, Jharkhand is taking all the steps and all the measures.
No wonder by 2022, 46% of the workforce also needs to be redeployed differently. This will lead to more of job aggregator companies in the near future. Jharkhand is one of the very few states in the country and across the globe that is getting ready to meet the challenges of jobs of future by making changes and huge investments in that direction. Under the state's Centre of Excellence program, Jharkhand government and global leaders Siemens Software Limited, with an outlay of over 1,200 crores, are setting more than 18 COEs in different districts of the state at their engineering colleges and polytechnics.
Jharkhand is, by the way, the first state of its kind that has invested in this kind of a technology, because the kids will be future ready primarily because of not just what they are learning, but also the environment that they have been practicing is an environment that is industry.
These centers will bring out over 3,000 highly skilled force every year, trained in new technologies like robotics, 3D printing, artificial intelligence, machine learning language. Also, this will give the workforce the much needed exposure to newer trends in advanced welding, magnetronics, computing and auto maintenance.
यहाँ पे सारी वर्ल्ड क्लास की मशीनें लगी हुई हैं। प्रोफेसर्स मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे से ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, जो मेरे टेक्निकल स्किल को काफ़ी बेहतर बना रहा है, और मुझे विश्वास है कि ये मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी जगह प्लेस्ड होने में मदद करेगा।
Jharkhand's skill policy is focused on those sectors that are needed by state and are also creating jobs in the country on account of Make in India program. The apparel industry is the second biggest employer in India. The government of Jharkhand, under its Momentum Jharkhand initiative, is working towards making the state the textile hub of the East, with a goal to take over the export markets of many of our neighbouring countries. Several names of repute like Orient Craft, Shahi Exports, Pearl Global are already in Jharkhand with their plants that are equipped with the most advanced technologies. With active support from the government of Jharkhand, Orient Craft, one of the leading garment exporters of the country, has also set forth 3 centers of excellence to skill large number of youth, especially girls. This is an effort to make them employment ready either in their own factories or at any other manufacturing facility in the country.
मुझे इस ट्रेनिंग में आने का बाद बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि इससे मेरे घर में एक नया दुकान भी खुल गया है मेरे पैसे से। मैं यहाँ आने के बाद अपनी सारी आवश्यकताएं पूरी कर रही हूँ और अपने घर वालों को भी बहुत कुछ दे रही हूँ।
I can clearly see that in the coming 2-3 years, you will have at least 200,000 to 300,000 new jobs that will be created by the garmenting industry in Jharkhand. I must thank the government of Jharkhand and particularly their initiatives in skill development, where thousands and thousands of rural poor are being trained.
The automotive industry is another major employer of the country. The rising middle class and creation of highly optimized supply chains are the two primary mega trends for nearly 14.3 million jobs in 2022.
सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि हमारे यहाँ जो ट्रेनिंग इक्विपमेंट, ट्रेनिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, ट्रेनर्स, ये सब वर्ल्ड क्लास के हैं।
और मैं यहाँ से गांव में जाऊँगा और एक एडवांस गैराज खोलूँगा टेक्नोलॉजी वाला, जिससे कुछ गांव के लड़कों को बेनिफिट्स होगी, नॉलेज मिलेगी।
ये हमारे बच्चे फ्यूचर रेडी हैं।
Jharkhand is a land of opportunities for employers, industry and policymakers. A skilled and trained workforce in our state will help employers to compete better and win more. Come to see, experience and partner with Jharkhand.